Now let's understand what YouTube really is, how it works, and how it compensates its content creators. Well, to start here on the computer screen, I've created this mind map to help us understand what YouTube is and how it operates. To begin with, let's understand what YouTube actually is. YouTube is a video streaming platform where users can watch, share, and upload videos, functioning similarly to other streaming platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. However, YouTube stands out due to its vast content of long-form videos and its integration with various monetization methods, allowing content creators to generate income in different ways. In other words, when we refer to YouTube, it is nothing more than a video streaming platform that works similarly to TikTok but with different characteristics. On YouTube, it is very common to find long duration videos with full resolution as well as short videos known as YouTube Shorts. In other words, when we talk about YouTube, it is like a kind of social network for videos where you can watch, share, and publish videos on the platform. I'm here on the YouTube homepage to show you more or less how the YouTube platform works. So here on the left side, this is the homepage. On the left side, we have several options. Here, we have the homepage, which is this specific page. The YouTube algorithm, mainly for you, the viewer, tends to recommend videos that you usually watch. For example, if you often watch finance videos, the YouTube algorithm will only recommend channels related to the finance niche for you. In my particular case, it selected random videos because the algorithm doesn't know exactly what type of video I usually watch. After all, I'm not logged into any account here. If you try this with a connected account, you will see that on your YouTube homepage, only videos related to what you usually watch will appear. Besides this option, on the homepage, we also have this shorts option. There will be a specific lesson only about short videos, but I will briefly summarize what shorts videos are for you. They are basically short videos, similar to those on the TikTok platform. So you can watch some videos as well as upload videos here within this option. Here we also have the subscriptions option. We won't be able to view this option now, but basically in the subscriptions option, you'll see your history of the last videos you watched, your playlists, liked videos, and many other things. In addition to the library page, we also have this history option where your viewing history will appear, that is, the last videos you watched here on the YouTube platform. And if we scroll down here, we have other options in this Explore tab. We have trending, what is trending? It is basically the top trending videos on the YouTube platform. So here we have various topics, and now in the latest trending videos, we have these videos. If we select games, for example, the trending section will display topics related to games, specifically the trending videos on the YouTube platform on the day you're viewing them. What YouTube has done is further expand this Explore option. When we go to Explore, we can explore videos on various topics. So we can view trending videos, shopping videos. When we click on shopping, it will show videos related to purchases. We also have music, movies and shows, live videos, gaming, news, and many other things. They've categorized content into specific categories. So when we use the Explore option, we can find trending videos on specific topics within the platform. Additionally, we have the option to search for channels. Just type here and click the search button to search for a specific channel. We also have the YouTube Premium option, which is basically a subscription on the YouTube platform, where you pay a monthly fee of around 20 rays to watch videos without ads. Another advantage of subscribing to YouTube Premium is that you can watch videos and listen to music completely offline. For some people, subscribing to YouTube Premium might make sense, while for others, it may not. Going back to the left side again, we also have YouTube Music and YouTube Kids. YouTube Music is essentially a music platform similar to Spotify, but in this case, it's YouTube's own music platform. We also have YouTube Kids, which is YouTube specifically for children. So if you have a child or a nephew, instead of them watching traditional YouTube, they can watch YouTube Kids. Finally, on this left side, we also have the settings option, which are your account settings. To access it, you need to be logged into your YouTube account. We also have a report history, a help option, and you can also send feedback to the platform. If you want to suggest an improvement for the YouTube platform, you can send feedback. And if you need specific help or are experiencing a particular issue, you can click on help and request support from YouTube. Besides these options, on the left side, we also have the option by clicking on the three dots. When we click on these three dots, we get additional options. Here, we have the Your YouTube Data option, which shows your data on YouTube when you click on it. We also have the appearance option, which allows you to change the appearance of your YouTube platform. So I'm using the theme from my device, which is currently set to dark mode. I'll switch to the light theme, and consequently, my YouTube channel will have a completely light theme. Personally, I like to use the default theme, which is the device theme, a dark theme that I find better. We can also change the language of the YouTube platform. If you click here, you can change the language. We also have this restricted mode option, which will hide all types of videos recommended for viewers over 18 years old. In other words, the algorithm will not recommend such videos to you. This can be a useful tool if you're a reaction streamer and want to avoid watching +18 videos live on other platforms. If you want to activate this option, just check this box and there's no problem at all. Besides this option, we can also change the location on our YouTube channel. So I'm currently set to the United States location. We also have this option for keyboard shortcuts, which will show you some basic keys that you can use on the YouTube platform. I'll click the dismiss button. And to wrap up, we have the settings option, help, and the option to send feedback. In summary, the YouTube platform is basically this. A platform that functions like a kind of television with various channels publishing videos daily, and it's one of the most accessed platforms in the world. YouTube pays its content creators through advertisers. For example, let me click on this video by a YouTuber named Mr. Beast, and we'll see that there's an ad playing before we even watch the video. So this advertiser is paying to host this ad on the YouTube platform, and YouTube will pass a portion of that payment to the content creator. Now we can see the content creator's video right after the ad. To better understand how content creators are compensated, let's go back to the mind map I created for you. Well, returning to our mind map, let's understand how YouTube compensates its content creators. Content creators on YouTube are paid in various ways, one of which is through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which allows creators to earn money from ads displayed on their videos. Monetization on YouTube is paid directly by advertisers to content creators. Of course, YouTube retains a percentage of the amount paid by advertisers, and content creators receive their share. The compensation you receive on YouTube is not fixed. It depends heavily on the number of views you get throughout the month. So if in a certain month you have a lot of views, you'll most likely receive a good amount. If in the following month you don't get as many views as in the previous month, obviously you'll receive less. Therefore, your income varies and is not fixed, depending on your performance on the platform. Additionally, there are other ways to earn money through the YouTube platform. To start, the first way I've already mentioned is through ads. The main way to make money on YouTube, where creators receive a share of the revenue generated by ads shown before or during their videos. The second way you can be monetized on YouTube is through super chat and super stickers. In other words, during live streams, viewers can pay to have their messages or stickers highlighted in the chat. We also have YouTube Premium, where part of the revenue from YouTube Premium subscriptions is shared with content creators whose videos are watched by subscribers. There's also the channel memberships function. Viewers can become channel members by paying a monthly subscription to access exclusive benefits. And finally, the last way you can generate revenue through YouTube is through merchandising, where creators can sell branded products directly through the platform. Throughout this course, I will delve deeper into these income streams available on YouTube. Again, I emphasize that the compensation you receive on YouTube is not fixed. It depends heavily on the number of views you get throughout the month, as well as other external means. So, if in a certain month you have a lot of views, you'll most likely receive a good amount. If in the following month you don't get as many views as in the previous month, obviously you'll receive less. Therefore, your income varies and is not fixed, depending on your performance on the platform. So, that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks.